I'm coming, oh! Coming! Not bad. Not bad at all. Breakfast.
Don't touch me! You stupid boy! So it is true.
What is true, sister?
That any woman left you and gave you her sister to manage.
Sister, Irene is Species Uncle's daughter.
Irene must return to sender. Because I don't want any Kobo woman in this Fuji family. From Akaka village. You hear me?
Sister, who says I want to get married? Eh?
Why are you dressed in that dress with the tie as if you're going to commit suicide?
Yes, sister, I just wanted to look corporate. You know, Tajuddin Adepegba Fuji, Esquire.
I hope she's not burning down the kitchen.
Wait. Oh!
At least that Yamba woman knows how to cook. Her stockfish soup with all the green leaves from the bush and bush meat with periwinkle and crab. Oh, she no pass sense, but she pass food. I hope she has not burned down the kitchen. And why is she hiding?
Sister, no one is hiding. I was cooking and
you are cooking for her. She has not even ate herself. She has turned you to Mumu. You.
Sister, I was cooking for myself. She's not even here.
So where is she? In the room?
Yes. This is room.
Dad, at your age, with all your women, internal and external, you are still cooking your own food.
I'm surprised at you. with all your judo, sopido, militancy, etc., some Ashanana or Okoro woman will enter into this house and just snatch over Chief like that.
If they take over Chief, is he not a man?
So because he's a man, women can snatch him.
Bami. When we concern Virtue and Baba, Chief is not my husband. Tobamo. If it was Raji, Raji. You shall see my power in action.
So because it's not Raji, you will not help me.
I beg you. Everyone should paddle okay, no. As for me, I go sit down, look.
What a matter? Well, you are returning to Fuji House again after Tiaris.
So, Mommy, you were there when Chief is planning to replace Yellow Papa with another Yellow Papa, Mommy.
Yellow Papa with another Yellow Papa, Mommy. Whoa.
Is that all you can say, Mommy?
What I say you hear. What I say you want to hear. Who do you keep here to do bodyguard for Chief and Ekposoba family? When you refugee to your mother's house?
Well, Mommy, that is not the reason. It's not the reason why one woman will enter into this house under our own koro eyes and snatch all over me. Why should that be? In short. Where is she self? Where is the woman? Where is the woman? I will destroy her. I will smash her. I will tear her. And I will kick her. And I will make sure I distribute her into the four winds. Good morning, ma.
Good morning.
You must be Chief's third darling wife. Oh yes, third and the last.
Fantastic. Actually, no one ever told me you were this beautiful.
Oh, thank you, ma.
You're very welcome.
Thank you.
Kunle, good morning. I hope you slept well.
Your business it is not. If I slept or not slept.
Well, I can see you obviously didn't sleep well. Anyway, I'm off to breakfast, you guys. Have a nice day.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Ram. I think you got a very, very lovely voice. Okay. Thank you.
Sikira, lovely voice. Hey, I now know the woman is Sakarin.
Chineke, can you have a coffee? Hey, correct, baby, oh, Wanyama, baby, oh, correct, baby. As you see me, son, as my heart, they make it for you. Hey, baby, make me carry go. Hey, baby, make me carry go. Who is that? Hi. Oh. Hey, Ireti baby. Come in. Yes, through the door. Come upstairs.
Right up.
Do you have voice like me? Is your voice better than my own? Can you Can you sing like me? I beg for rubbish it also. Mama Moji, I want well. My boy, go on. Somebody help me. Oh yeah. Me too. I'm just a papa. Let me direct. Èmi ò lóhùn. Èmi láyé.
Ẹ jẹ́ kí n sọ̀rọ̀ àbí àwọn ọmọdé wa parí gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ ni. Ìwọ́n tiẹ̀ go and fight her. Go and fight her and let Sarafin finish all of you. Kí ló ṣe yín? Wo ẹ̀yin méjèèjì ẹ̀ wo. Division will unite. Bí mo ṣe wà nìyẹn. Kúrò lọ́nà ṣe ń lọ.
For my senior, with lovely voice, angelic voice of Africa. Hey, the sweetest voice of Nigeria. Hey, for the mamake, àwọn olóhùn yọ̀ fún ara wọn. Àwọn olóhùn yọ̀ fún ara wọn. Wọ́n gbà lẹ́yìn. Sweet and lovely voice of Nigeria. Ẹ wà pa, pẹ̀lẹ́pẹ̀lẹ́ òyà. Ẹ wà pa. Hey. For the senior care. Shalom. Ọ̀dẹ̀ rí lára. Leave me alone.
Good man. Have you brought the egusi, cow, bushmeat, and okada, and other etc. things that Chief said you should bring before your sister can come back?
I came to see my sister. She's back.
Soldier aunt is back.
Soldier. No. My sister. Equinox.
Look, my friend, there is no Equinox in this compound, so state your mission here.
True.
Will you come on, get out of here. Bros, washing the wire,
Who is knocking at your door this early morning? Don't they want you to sleep?
Sister, that is our visitor. Please, do not embarrass me, I beg you.
Me embarrass you? So I embarrass you because of Eyimba woman the second. I embarrass you, eh?
Sister, please, just be nice to her, I beg you. Be nice to her.
Just what? I will be nice.
Wow! Who is this young, pretty woman you got hanging out in your flat, honey? Hi!
Eku? Ekutos?
One and only. Wow! So good to see you. You are looking good. Thank you. And you too. Look at you. Turn around. Wow. Don't you ever want to grow old? Looking so good.
Hey!
Oh, long time. I miss you.
Oh,
miss you.
Ekutos.
I think I knew you were going to be here, you know. I brought you quite a lot of them. Loads of them.
For me?
All for you.
Oh, thank you.
Thanks to me. What a matter?
Mommy, I don't know what my mama is doing to her.
Doing who?
Auntie Irene.
Irene.
Equity tomba don't really run.
Equitox is upstairs.
And mama is.
Oda be. Oda. Goodest.
Excuse me. What is she doing to my sister?
Are you still here? You?
Let's go and see what she's doing to her. Before there is a calamity. Because if there's a calamity, calamity will jam calamity.
And so, what are matter? If calamity jam calamity. If calamity jam calamity, then accident.
Hi!
So what then?
When you're cheerful. One day, Oyibo people will just charge you to court because of the way you massacre their language.
Yeah, look who's talking now. Oh. Look who's talking. Look who's talking. And I'm sure the English that you speak is one that you spoke in Burma War.
Strabo cage. Mama, why is Strabo cage?
Saboteur.
Leave me, Joe. Leave me already. What I say. Is English not enough cause Mama will finish?
I don't understand her.
Just the way she's
Two civilians.
Yes, who goes there?
A friend.
Advance to be recognized.
I am Major Odile, retired. I am looking for Chief Fuji.
Shut up!
Was the time in some nations, plenty wives was the notion. Concubines with concussion, the opinion was rotation. Number 1 is companion, the number 2, confusion. Number 3 is commotion, Fuji House of Commotion. The kids are like the confrontation, Fuji House of Commotion. Preaching practical solutions, Fuji House of Commotion. Peaceful peace in confusion, and everybody in commotion. Yeah. Chapter 2 is my opinion. Do respect this better union. If you want a companion, Fuji's house is not solution. Number 1 is companion, the wife. Number 2, confusion. Wife number 3 is commotion, Fuji House of Commotion. The kids are like the confrontation, a Fuji House of Commotion. Catering practical solutions, a Fuji House of Commotion.